here are 10 home organization products that actually work and help to keep your home clutter-free. First up, one of my favorite organizers, I've used these for years, these stackable deep drawers. They are so great for stacking under cabinets, especially when you want to use all your vertical space. These come in several different sizes. You can get some tall ones, some wider ones, and several different colors as well. I really love that they're really deep. Here's some before and afters at some of my different homes and the different cabinets I use them for. These are great in the kitchen, under sinks, under cabinets, and pantries, and several different spaces. Storage items that hide things but are also really functional are storage benches. They are an easy way to incorporate to help your home stay clutter free. This one in particular is a beautiful bench in my nursery. I love the style of this, but it can hold so much. I have so much stuff in here. You can put baby gear in here. I got a lot of random stuff like carriers and pillows and just stuff. You can put teddy bears, toys. You can stuff so much in these. Easy way to clean up too when you need to. Just have something like this that's beautiful and you can stick stuff in when you need to do quick cleans. I also like to keep my daughter's travel cubes in here too. It's an easy place to just stick them in and know where they're at. Like I said, this bench is not only beautiful, it's functional. You can sit on it. 2 people can sit on it. I also have a bench in my foyer that's very similar. This is a beautiful and inexpensive piece of storage furniture. You can store a lot in here. I like to keep this by the door so I can stick boxes in here because a lot of times it takes me a while to open up packages and I receive a lot. You can easily also store kid stuff that you take outside. Plus you can sit on it. We use it for our kids all the time to put their shoes on. Another amazing little organization item that I love to keep, and that is a counter trash or a desk trash can. You can use it for either or. This is great, especially when you always have something you need to throw away. Maybe you don't feel like getting up or going to the trash can. I have this in my bathroom by my sink because I always have little bitty pieces of trash to throw away, whether it's my contact lens cases, my face wipes, my eyeglass wipes, cotton pads, or whatever. It's just easy. While I'm doing it, I can always just toss my trash. Again, this works great at desk as well. If you work from your desk a lot, eat candies or eat snacks, you need something to throw your trash away. This bathroom organizer looks so good and it's great for small spaces. It helps to store cleaning supplies, extra tissue rolls, and more. It's super compact, it's not big, doesn't take up a lot of space, but if you need more storage, you can easily put this in the corner of your bathroom and use it to store small random things you may need. And it does come in several different colors and you can use these in your kids' bathroom as well. These organizers are some of my absolute favorite finds from the Container Store. I am overly obsessed with them. These organizers are plastic and they have adjustable dividers so that you can easily divide up the entire space as you need. And I also really love that they're easy to wipe out. So you can use these for toys or something that may spill potentially, but again, easy to clean, reuse them, and they're stackable also. They do come in several different sizes and lengths. So you can use this in a ton of different spaces around your home, from office cabinets to crafting items, sewing items, toys, just a lot of different spaces. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in this cabinet in particular. I'm going to be using it for toys, but again, you can use this for a lot of different spaces, drawers also. I think this works extremely great for pulling out toys. It also has handles on it too. So like I had baby toys separated from Ace toys when Zuri was a little baby. And as you can see in the video, we could just easily pull this out, let her play with the toys. And when she was done, easy cleanup because everything just go right back in the container and stick it back under the cabinet. Again, so great that you can divide up the space, make things easy to reach, easy to grab, and they come in several different lengths and sizes. Do me this small little favor, tap that thumbs up button, especially if you're enjoying this video. It really helps this channel. Also, make sure you subscribe if you have not and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a video. I really like this 5-tier rotating basket set. It's so handy. I'm using it to put Ace an outfit in each of the bins so he can go in there and get his clothes for the day, which he loves going in and opening these baskets up. Now, I didn't put days of the week on this because we include Saturdays and Sundays, so we just keep an outfit in each of the bins. Now, these bins are so deep and so big. You can store so much in here. You can do toys, you can do things in your pantry, your kitchen. You still have storage on top as well. And the rolls. This kid's bath caddy is game changing. You can store bath toys, soap, and so much more in this. It allows toys to drain more easily and dry. I also like that it's adjustable so it can fit different size tubs and it's easy to use. Another great item to decrease clutter is this dresser tray for Dad, so he can keep all of his belongings in for easy access. This is packed with tons of compartments, including a change tray for easy grabbing, keys and accessories, plus a little hidden space in case you want to stick some money in. You can put it on a nightstand, in the closet, or even in a drawer if you want. Now, I'm a huge fan of these clear organizers for drawers. I've used this in all my homes in several different drawers, from the bathroom to my office to the kitchen, just so many. They do have stoppers on the bottom, and they come in several different sizes. You can get these in sets. So I like that I can use the different shapes to make it fit my drawer and fit all of my little trinkets and gadgets. So you're going to see me organizing a couple of my office drawers with these to show you how well they operate. And I like that they're clear because I have wood desk and I wanted to be able to still see my wood because I love the color of my wood. It's beautiful. So I love that they're clear so you can still see your drawer texture instead of being colored and messing up my aesthetic that I'm going for. But they are still super functional. Again, great for many different drawers, bathroom drawers, kitchen drawers, wherever you need to organize spaces. I love these clear sets of drawer organizers. Now, this jewelry organizer is not only super beautiful, but it's compact, and I think it's an absolute amazing use of space. So it has drawers. One is on the bottom where you can pull out and store earrings and rings and different things. There's also a compartment on top. When you open it up, it's a mirror, and then it also has sections for rings and earrings, jewelry, a lot of spaces. I don't have a lot of jewelry, so you're gonna see I'm not like overly feeling it, but it's so great if you do have a lot of jewelry and you don't have a lot of space, but you want to be able to store it in a functional way. So these 3 pull-outs that you see in the display box, each of these hold different things. So like this one is for necklaces. It has lots of spaces to hold your necklaces here. There's a space to hook it and then a place to put the rest of the necklace. Again, this is really compact storage, but you can store a lot of jewelry in this. This next section is a large area for rings and earrings and whatever else you would like to place in this. But it has a lot of storage in it. This third one is for bracelets and other things. So I don't really have a lot of bracelets, and the ones I do have are packed up. So I just used my husband's, for example, to show you how you can put your bracelet on here in this last drawer. And the display area, you can actually interchange the drawers out. So if you want to see your necklaces, if you use that the most, you can always interchange those out, which is really nice. Like I said, I really love how compact it is. So if you don't have a lot of area, maybe on your dresser or in your closet, whatever, you can still store a ton of jewelry in this. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video as well.